Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is Vlogmas Day 23. I'm so excited, y'all. 2 more days of Vlogmas. I really hope I hit my goal of 2,000 followers. I don't know, we shall see. So I'll be doing that 3-in-1 getting ready with me, doing my makeup, hair, and showing y'all my outfit for my friend, well, my sister Lily, her Grinch themed Christmas party. As you can see, I'm just speeding right through. This is not really a tutorial, but I will link a video down below of all the products that I'm using. This is just my everyday makeup routine, my foundation, then I go in with my concealer, and then I place my highlight on, and then I move into my cream contour. So yeah, I'm just showing y'all the placement of where I put everything, and just small little snippets of me blending everything out. This is my makeup routine that I do all the time. Sometimes I switch up the when and how I apply everything, but for the most part, my makeup routine has been pretty consistent. I don't know if I'll be able to upload a longer version of videos because it seemed like long form content really isn't being watched these days. So I don't want to waste my time and do a 45-minute video of my full makeup routine, and then it doesn't get as much views as my short form content. So that's really why I made this makeup portion so short, because my long form videos really hasn't been getting a lot of views. But these are the exact steps that I use. These are the same products I use all of the time. I do not know when I'm going to mix up my products. I don't know when I'm going to try new products, but hopefully in the future, if I feel like investing into makeup more, I'll probably stop and do like another makeup routine, something like more affordable, something different. But for now, I'll just keep the makeup video short, and I'll do more 3-in-1 get ready with me. And I'll even like mix up the process because you never know, somebody probably might want to see something different, see me try something different. So that's, my plans for the future. I also didn't include the green smoky eye in this video because I have a video that I previously did with the green smoky eye in it. Everything will be linked down below. I'll link a video with all the products that I use, and I actually named all of the products in one of my videos recently that I did for Vlogmas. I also did this smoky eye routine for Vlogmas. I think I posted the video day 22, which was yesterday. So yeah, let's get into refreshing my hair. This is also posted on my YouTube channel as one of my Vlogmas videos. It will be linked below, or I'll put a card in the video. Like today, since I recorded this early enough, I'll put a card in the video of me showing y'all all of the videos that's linked. I'll put a card, and then I'll put it in the in my bio. I'll put a link in the description box or whatever. I say in my bio, in the description box of everything that I'm doing. But yeah, I just flat ironed my hair, hot combed it. I needed some more glue because my hair was sweating out. So I glued down my tracks, and then I went in and I curled it. Like I told y'all, these flat irons right here are new. So even though the flat iron is on low heat, it's still smoking because they're brand new. So yeah, it's gonna do that. I sprayed it with some Sebastian Shaper Hair Plus, and I just quickly went through and curled all the rest of my curls. And then after I was done curling my bang, I sprayed it one more time, and then I combed everything out so I can get it to be the perfect bang look. And this is how my hair turned out. My hair and makeup actually was pretty simple. I kind of rushed through my makeup, so it took about 20 minutes. One day I'll sit down and do a full talk through of me doing my makeup. I don't know when. I was really on the phone with my sister this whole time gossiping. So yeah, I was kind of distracted. But anyways, let's move on to getting dressed. So this dress came from not Forever 21, Fashion Nova. It is so pretty. I really loved it. As you can see, I was admiring myself in this little mirror because my big mirror, I haven't set it up yet. But these tights, I got these off of Amazon. And this jacket came from Fashion Nova. My heels came from Amazon. I'll try to link everything below. I don't know. This hat and these gloves came from Amazon. This was probably the only Grinch thing that I wore. And my bag, of course, is from Telfar. Yeah, I brought my Gucci shoes with me in case my feet started hurting in these heels. And I'm glad I did because my feet definitely started hurting me. But yeah, this is the whole look, my hair, my makeup, my outfit. If y'all enjoy these videos, please let me know because I really enjoyed making this video. Even though, it was like an hour and a half worth of content and I had to cut it down to 5 minutes, I still kind of enjoyed it. But yeah, this is the makeup look. Ooh. She's pretty. She's taking it, honey. And thanks for watching my video. I will see y'all in Vlogmas Day 24. It's really only 2 more videos left. But honestly, I may start uploading more often. Even it might not be every day, but maybe every other day. Yeah. Bye.